Oh, it's foggy. That's just not gonna work. Hi guys, so I'm just popping in here before you watch this video. This video is from August and it is now almost October, so it's been quite some time since this has happened. I need a video. I'm currently in college and I don't really have a video for this week. I wanted to get this out here because I loved this week with my family. Also a 20-minute vlog, so don't mind that. I tried cropping it down as much as I could, so just deal with it. Sorry, not sorry. Okay, here we go. Hi guys, so I have no idea what that was. So hi, my name is Kayla. If you aren't already subscribed, welcome to my channel. I just went running on the beach, so I am like sweaty and nasty right now, so this is not a great time to start this video. I'm alone in a hotel room because my family is at the pool right now, so I thought that it would be great to start this video. I'm at Myrtle Beach in South Carolina. I'm going to be vlogging this entire week with my family. If you didn't know, I just got back from California. Those videos will be down below in a playlist, but honestly, to be quite honest, I have been vlogging every single day for like 10 days straight. I have a lot of editing to do, so I'm gonna try and keep this video pretty simple, kind of just be real with you guys in this video with my family, and hopefully just get some funny moments on camera. My family is always hilarious and my videos with my family always turn out insane. We'll see how this goes. I have no idea how this is gonna work. Anyways, I'm gonna go to the pool right now. I'll catch you guys when we're doing something fun. So right now we are going to go get food. Kyle's being mean and pushing me. We're waiting for Dad.
How cool that fountain. You got a good video of the fountain.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Upside down. Our car waits. Just got out of Lulu's. How'd everyone like it?
Lulu's was good.
You crackers. Yes. How did you like it?
Like what?
Lulu's.
What's that?
Place that we just ate.
Yeah, I give it a 17 out of 37 points.
Mom, did you like it? It was wonderful. Food was outstanding. Like, highly recommend Lulu's if you are in the area.
Lulu's. Go to Hulu.
It's Lulu's. I'm gonna walk around and spend my money at these shops. Oh, that's
That is not an owl.
That is.
That's a fish. Do you see the fin at the end, or it's a mermaid? Look at all that plastic in the sea over there.
That is one big
Use
fish.
metal straws, folks. Oh, they're having a lot of fun. Mama, take me home, country road. Dad randomly pulls into Krispy Kreme's and we didn't even know you were going there. Wow. We are at Top Golf right now. Look, well, it's like 3 levels of golfing, and then it's 3, and then you hit them. It's kind of like bowling. So then you hit the targets. Whoever gets the most points wins. Excited to lose, Mom? I'm pumped. Are you excited to lose?
Of course.
No. Oh no, we're right next to Pro. Level 2 of this building. Look how cool this is. Dad's up to bat first.
Right from the start, I knew we could never part. Something magic in the way that you move.
Kyle won. With how many points? I beat you by a couple points. Dad got second, and then Mom got last. As of right now, I am in second place. Trying to beat the timer at 2 seconds. So next stop on our evening out. What's this place called? No.
No, I always say that. Broadway at the beach.
We're back at Hollywood Studios. It's a sign. Let's go to Disney. And we're gonna find food, I think. Food. Mom just loves being on the vlog. Yeah, and then this is what she did. I was vlogging, and then all the way from over there, she comes running in, make sure that she gets the center of attention. Mom, that is so true. You were all the way over there. Dad, is that not true that she loves to be on the center of attention?
Yes, she loves the vlog.
Y'all. You're the one that wants me on vlog.
Yeah, because I like editing it. And I like doing it.
All about you.
Okay.
Every vlog has you in it.
Run away from mom, run away from mom. We're losing mom.
She'll find you.
Oh, that is disgusting. Ew.
She's really scared of the cloud.
It's not a bad thing.
Oh, look at that.
Take pictures. Thanks, guys.
We're joking around because I don't want to wear this, and the only reason that mom would wear it is if I'm putting her on the vlog. Wants to be on the vlog. So the picture is.
Last time I was over there, I think.
Yeah, they must have moved it. Wait, I'm supposed to be on this side.
I want to get in the way. This is quite the production of reenacting a picture. This is the reenactment of Kyle getting his picture taken with a skeleton back in 2000. And
This was the original.
how old was he there?
11 is today.
We gotta
Go back
flip
to
it.
the first one.
Flying high like the birds and the bees, and fill the sky with the songs and the trees. Cause we're buzzing, buzzing, and we're humming, humming, and we're loving, loving all day.
Guys, we got canceled everything because of the storm.
Storm.
No, it's already foggy. Hi, it's Wednesday. Wait, no, it's Friday. And it's like later in the day. We went mini golfing today, but I decided not to vlog it because I can decide what I want to vlog and what I don't want to vlog it. So we're going to this pirate show that you get to eat everything with your hands, tons of food, yeah. Except the soup, I guess. What's it called, Mom?
Pirate's Voyage.
Oh.
Pirate's Voyage.
Pirate's Voyage. Are you excited? You don't look. We sit like birds in the wilderness. The car awaits. The car awaits. All right, we made it to the Pirate's Voyage.
Any questions, ask me and have a jolly time.
This is the pre-show.
Come on, you can do better than that. The back set, oh!
A couple hours later, and we're going ghost crab hunting. Kyle stayed back at the room because he's lame. Got Dad and Katie and then Mom's back here.
What's for supper?
Ew. No, that's disgusting. We're gonna find ghost crabs, hopefully, maybe. Well guys, this crab session has turned into me picking up trash along the beach because it just started raining. We're going back because it is now raining. We literally found no crabs. So it just started thundering and lightning and we just got in an elevator and it's gonna be the real light Tower of Terror! We don't even have to go to Disney.
So there was a lightning strike, like across the street from the hotel.
Because he was bringing the towels to go give them to them. And then it struck, so then Kyle. But we made it, so it's not tower.
It was like right on the back side of that, like over near that pond.
Hi guys, so hopefully this does not fog up because I have been sitting out here for like 5 minutes just unfogging the camera. Today is Sunday now. I didn't film at all yesterday. Honestly, I'm not too ashamed of myself for not. Honestly, this is just a vacation to like clear my mind and give me peace before the school year. Don't owe you an explanation, just explaining. That's basically what's happening. Currently wearing a dress because we're gonna be going out to eat soon. Almost about 5. I have a little bit of a headache, so I'm like, ugh. I'm just sitting out on our balcony. It's so pretty out here. Just 14th floor gives you just such a great view. Just so many clouds in the sky. But this is our resort right here. I haven't really shown you guys everything. It's just so beachy. I guess I'll give you a room tour because I need to think of things to put into this vlog. Can you help me film a room tour? Okay, go to the elevator and then come through here. Hi, welcome to my crib.
Oh.
Hi, so come on in. Turn this way. Here we have our messy bathroom. Just
A shower?
which is messy right now. And a mirror where Kyle, you can see Kyle. All right, so let's go this way. Next room, we have my parents' bed and Kyle's bed. And then we have a brand new TV. This way. Oh, wait, stop. A washer. Oh, wait. A dryer.
Wow.
A washer. This way, we have the kitchen. Full-size kitchen, full-size fridge, full-size
Microwave? Yeah, there you go.
full-size oven, a full-size sink, and
As opposed to a small sink, or?
yes, small
okay.
sink here,
Oh, alright.
small sink here, and then full-size sink combined. Shall have a dishwasher. This is the selling point of the room. A pull-out.
Watch out for
I'm
the...
not gonna put it down.
Oh.
Bed.
You're gonna put it on the table right there.
So that's where Katie sleeps. Coming over here is where Katie is now sitting on my bed, which pulls out. It's not this couch, but it pulls out here, and I sleep here. Then as of right now, we have this wonderful television on, brand new,
Oh, hi.
a brand new TV with our golf tournament on right now. How are they doing, Katie?
I think they want it.
Okay, good. And the biggest selling point of this room is the balcony. So, we have a balcony out here, and we're on the 14th floor. Ta-da!
Wow.
So, yeah, that is our room tour for today. Thank you for joining HTV. Let me show you the door so you shall leave.
Oh, I'm getting kicked out already? That's unfortunate.
Thank you for joining us today on the HGTV
Okay,
room
bye.
tour. See you later, alligators.
Bye. Finally get out of that crazy ladies' room, dude. That was weird. That was the worst room tour I've done in my life. I'm getting out of here.
Back.
She's calling me back.
You can come back.
I'm scared. I'm just gonna walk away. She's chasing me. She's chasing me. She's chasing me. Oh, 911.
You can come back. You're trapped now. He got locked out.
In sesame.
Thanks.
Roll all of it. Bang on the gate.
Would you like a pickle?
I do want a pickle.
Would you like a pickle?
Thank you. Hush puppies instead of bread, and they're so good. Hey, good morning. Oh, this is vlogging again. I'm gonna vlog pretty much all day. It's gonna take forever.
Now it's coming up, I think.
Okay, that's right. Okay, thank you. Decided to go to the next elevator
Yeah.
because Kyle broke it.
Open house.
Haha.
Open, yes.
Here she is, Betsy. We're at the Blueberry something or other restaurant grill thingy bobber. Mom and I are going to the beach to tan. Back there. It's so hot out. Alright guys, this lighting is awful, but we are back at Topgolf Golf Course. So far I'm coming in fourth, right behind Kyle. And Mom's coming in first somehow. I think it's because she's just hitting in these two. Back to square one, zeros, and here we go.
Summertime lazy, living in
20 seconds. And the score is really bad this round because we're all rushing. Rushing so fast. Go, go, go! 3, 2, 1! So Dad had this awesome idea.
No, it's not a good idea.
That ever he finds on TripAdvisor, this is where we're eating tonight, and he wanted me to vlog it. We're eating the melting pot.
Number 2 is Pop Pop's Pit Barbecue. That sounds good.
Yay. Oh, it looks really sketchy.
Looks like a gas station.
Yeah, we're not going there.
Well then, this isn't good vlog material.
Well, we'll come back to this segment when you figure out something. What did we decide on for dinner?
Pizza.
Okay, that's
Everybody's
good.
happy about it.
Yes, we are very
It was
happy
number
about it.
215 out of 701.
Wow, get TripAdvisor. It should be first, it really should. Mod Pizza is the way to go.
Chick-fil-A.
No one likes McDonald's.
Hold right up there. McDonald's or Chick-fil-A? I feed dead people.
Mod Pizza's like all the way over here and we can't get over. We can't get over there. Okay, we just got some Mod Pizza and the party has just begun for them. Wow, this looks amazing. I'll get water and then Katie over here has a cup of ice. Oh, and then there's Mom.
I'm loving life.
Okay. All the pizza.
Watch the napkins.
And there's mine, which is white.
We'll ride it.
Whoa!
Katie knows every single word of this song. The Mom's jamming. Memorable moment of Mom and I was Nemo kite and gonna get struck by lightning. Hold on.
This is a moment that I've always been waiting for. Do you know how long I've been waiting to fly this kite at the beach? Years.
Years.
Dory will now set sail. Dory has been waiting for this moment also.
This is the most exciting content that you guys will ever see.
Oh, yeah.
Us flying a Nemo kite. You guys can't even see me because it's pitch dark out here.
I can't see. Oh, there I am at the bottom.
I literally asked her, like, are you sure it's windy? Because I don't think it's that windy. It's not gonna get windier the closer we get to the ocean.
Dang, it's not windy. Where the heck's the wind? Oh.
This is not gonna work, Mom. Go, go, go. It's not even windy. Oh, this is not working.
It's already flying.
Good job, go.
How are you not even?
Yay!
There.
Oh, look. Good job, Kayla.
You got this, girl. You got this. There you go. You just gotta walk backwards if it starts to go down. Enough wind. It all worked.
Oh, that's great. Now I got to timer.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Summertime lazy, living in a daydream, feeling like I'm waiting for no one. Look at my new painting.